Hey, my name is Robbie, and for my research project, I have chosen to look into how we as teachers can integrate technology into the mathematics classroom, as well as the benefits and negatives that could go along with that. Technology is an ever changing area of development in today's society, as over the past 10 years, we've seen changes and advancements in our homes, our workplaces, the cars we drive. Um, but what about the classroom? Um, the main reason technology hasn't been really advancing in the classroom is because teachers don't really want to change the way they've been teaching over the past years. They want everything to stay the same. Uh, they want to make their paper copies. They want to make their lesson plans similar from year to year. Um, they want all their tests and quizzes to be during class. They just don't want to make any changes. Um, Although there are many positives to technology being integrated into the classroom, there are some negatives. Some of these negatives could include teachers having to now create a digital format of all the papers or worksheets that they want to use in class. Um, Before they could just make a copy on the printer, but now schools are wanting to go paperless. So teachers are having to post the worksheets online somehow. So they'll have to figure out how to scan it or get it on the computer somehow. Um, with that being done, students then have access to websites such as chegg.com or coursehero.com, which basically just give them the answers to the given worksheets, since so many teachers use the same ones due to Common Core. Another problem that could arise from technology being in the classroom now could be students getting distracted from their classwork or from the teacher's lesson. Uh, the students could be surfing the web or playing a game or watching a video on YouTube. These all serve as distractions while the teacher is trying to give them useful information that could help them in life. Um, there are many negatives to technology being in the classroom. Although there are some negatives to technology being in the classroom, there are also many positives. Some of these positives could include a teacher using Kahoot. Kahoot is a website where the teacher can, in a math classroom, the teacher could type in a math question or a math related question, and the students would then be able to connect their own digital device using a PIN code and answer the questions to compete who gets the most points the quickest. While the students treat this as a game, the teachers can treat this as an assessment and see what the student learned during that class or what they've learned that week through the time that they've been in the math classroom. Another way that a teacher can positively integrate technology could be through a website called Nearpod. This allows the teacher to put a question up on their projector for the students to see, and then as the students see the question, they're able to use their own devices and either graph their answer or answer it however they need to, and then their answers all pop up on the projector screen for everybody to see. This allows the teacher to see what they know and how they can do on their own when asked that certain type of question. Another way a teacher could integrate technology is by allowing students to use technology they're familiar with at home in the classroom, such as if they're familiar with an iPad or a MacBook, the teacher could allow them to use that in class to uh, read their ebook or online textbook instead of using the physical textbook. Some students read better off of their online textbook than the physical textbook. Um, it's just been seen. Um, Lastly, uh, ways that teachers can positively integrate technology is that it's no longer limited to the classroom. Teachers are now able to assign homework over the weekend, or um, have assignments due at certain times at night. They no longer have to wait until the next time that that student meets with them to have an assignment due. Uh, it's advancing the classroom rather widely. Um, Technology is something that needs to be integrated into the mathematics classroom, and it will have much positive. Uh, it will affect it positively.